Does your saw's chain skip or stall? You might need a new clutch drum. The clutch drum attaches to the saw over the top of the clutch. When the engine RPMs are increased, the clutch expands and makes contact with the clutch drum. This spins the clutch drum and in turn the chain. The chain sprocket is part of the clutch drum. The sprocket drives the chain by way of the chain's drive links. Over time, the chain will wear down the sprocket to the point that the drive links may begin to slip. If the saw is often stalled or run with the brake engaged, the clutch drum can be overheated. This will often lead to the clutch not making proper contact with the drum or an out-of-round drum. Replacing the clutch drum is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the side cover, the chain, and the bar. Now I'll remove the retaining clip and the outer washer. I'll use a small screwdriver to carefully pry the retaining clip away from the crankshaft. I want to be careful not to lose the retaining clip as it comes loose. Now I can remove the clutch drum from the crankshaft. Now install the clutch drum. Now install the outer clutch washer and secure everything with the retaining ring. Now install the bar and chain and the side cover. I'll loosely tighten the bar nuts and tension the chain. That looks good, so now I'll go ahead and tighten down the bar nuts.